Hello everyone. Our lesson today is lesson 2, applications on solving two equations of first degree in two variables. Okay, this lesson depends on lesson 1. We have here some word problems and we want to transfer it or translate it into two equations of first degree. For example, number 1, the sum of two rational numbers is 14. If twice the greater exceeds 3 times the smaller by 3, find the two numbers. First, we suppose that let the greater number is x and the smaller number is y. And read it again. The sum of two rational numbers is 14. It means the sum of x and y is 14. So we have the first equation, which is x plus y, sum, it means plus, equals what? 14. And this is equation number 1. Okay. If twice the greater, what's the meaning of twice the greater? It means double the greater. The greater here is x. So double or twice, it means 2 multiplied x. Okay. Exceeds 3 times the smaller by 3. Exceeds يعني equals 3 times the smaller. 3 times smaller, it means 3 times the smaller y by 3. يبقى plus 3. Okay. 2 times x equals 2x. Okay. As we said in lesson 1, order the equation. So here x and y inside together equals the whole number. So move 3y in the other side by negative 3y equals 3. And this is equation number 2. As we said in lesson 1, to solve two equations of first degree in two variables, we have two methods. First, omitting method or substituting methods. It's up to you. Here we solve it by omitting method. So, as we said, write the two equations under each other. So that the first equation will be x plus y equals 14. Write the second equation, x under x, so 2x minus y under y equals 3. As we said, we want to remove x or y to make it in one variable. يبقى here we want to get the coefficients like each other or like the same by different sign. So here we make it multiplied 3 to cancel y. As we said, multiplied by 3 يبقى x by 3, y by 3, 14 by 3. So the equations will be here 3x plus 3y equals 14 times 3, it will be 42. And the second equation, write as it is. And make it addition. As we said, 3x, 2x, it will be 5x. Positive 3y, negative 3y cancel together, it will be 0. 42 plus 3, it will be 45. We want to get the unknown, which is x. يبقى move 5 in the other side by divided, so x equals 45 divided 5, it means x equals 9. We get x. How to get y? By substitution in any equation, 1 or 2. يبقى by substitution. For example, in 1. Here we have equation 1, x plus y equals 14. Move x and write 9. So 9 plus y equals 14. Move 9 in the other by negative sign. So here y equals 14 minus 9. It will be 5. The value of y equals 5. Don't forget to write x is the greatest number and y is the smallest number. Here we have the greater number equals 9, and the smaller number equals 5. And don't forget to check how. Here we have 9 or 5. Check in the equation. 9 plus 5 equals 14. Yes. طب 2 times 9 minus 3 times 5 equals 3. Yes. Okay. Let's take another example. Number 2. A 2-digit number, its 10th digit is twice its unit digit. طيب. Let's remember, if we have any number, we called here unit, tens, hundredth, thousands, and so on. Here we have 2-digit numbers, so we have tens and unit. Okay, like for example 21. Okay, 21, it means 1 in unit, plus 2 in 10th digit, it means 2 times 10. Okay, again, if we have any number like 23, it consists of 2 digits. It means 3 plus 2 times 10. It means 3 plus 20. Okay, طيب in our example, يبقى first we have units and tens. Let the units will be x, for example, and the tens will be y. Okay, so the number here will be x plus 10y as we said. Okay, يبقى here we have tens and unit, and the number will be x plus 10y. Okay, if the 2 digits are reversed, what's the meaning of reversed? Reversed, it means exchange. The units will be tens and the tens will be units. يبقى here we have the original number. يبقى here the original number, and here we have the resulting number. In the resulting number we have reversed, it means exchange. يبقى هنا الunits it will be y and the tens it will be x, so the number will be y plus 10x. Okay, طيب let's read it again. 2-digit number, its 10th digit is twice its unit digit. Here we talk about the original number. Okay, يبقى its 10th digit y equals twice, as we said twice يعني double, twice its unit digit اللي هي x, يبقى 2x, and this is equation number 1. Okay, if the 2 digits are reversed, يبقى we talk about the resulting number. The resulting number decreases the original number. We studied in preparatory. Decreases, it means start from the second number. Here we have second number which is original and first number اللي هو resulting. After decrease we start from the second number. يبقى second number it means الoriginal. مين الoriginal؟ x plus 10y. يبقى x plus 10y. decrease minus مين الفيرست اللي هو resulting y plus 10x. But don't forget to open bracket. Why? Because here we have 2 terms. Okay, decrease by what? By 27. It means equals 27. Okay, simplify. يبقى x plus 10y negative y minus 10x equals 27. Collect x's together. X minus 10x, it means negative 9x. 10y minus y, it will be positive 9y equals 27. What did you notice? 9 و9 و27 يبقى divided by 9. So we have negative x plus y equals 3. And this is equation number 2. Okay, we want to solve 2 equations together by omitting by omitting method or substitution method. Here we solve by substitution. Why? Because here we have the value of y. So cancel in equation 2y and write 2x. يبقى by substitution by equation 1 in equation 2 we get negative x plus move y and write 2x equals 3. It means negative 1 plus 2 positive x equals 3. So the value of x equals 3. Substitution in 1. Y equals 2x. It means y times 2 times 3. So we have the value of y equals 6. X and y, unit digit and tenth digit. So here we have the unit digit, which is 3, and the tenth digit, which is 6. So the original number will be 63. Okay, let's take another example. 2 years ago, the age of a man was 4 times the age of his son. So here we have man's age and son age. يبقى write in table man's age and son age. Okay, here we have 2 years ago. So first write their ages now. Suppose that the man age is X and his son is Y. 2 years ago, we talk about the past. So minus 2, because 2 years ago. But what about 3 years ago? X minus 3. 4 years ago, X minus 4, and so on. And here we have Y minus 2. Okay. The age of a man was 4 times the age of his son. Okay. Here we have another one after 3 years. يبقى here after 3 years. It means X plus 3. And here Y plus 3. Okay, read it the example again. 2 years ago. So we talk about here. The age of a man, which is X minus 2, was 4 times the age of his son. يبقى in 2 years ago, the age of a man, it means X minus 2, was equals 4 times, يعني 4 multiply the age of his son, which is Y minus 2. Okay, simplify. يبقى X minus 2 equals 4 times Y and 4 times negative 2. It will be 4Y minus 8. Collect X and Y together. So X minus 4Y equals negative 8 plus 2. So X minus 4Y equals negative 6, which is equation number 1. Okay. After 3 years, so we talk about here. The age of a man will be 3 times the age of his son. The age of a man, which is X plus 3, equals 3 times 3 multiply the age of his son, which is Y plus 3. Similar, X plus 3 simplify 3 times Y with 3 times 3. It will be 3Y plus 9. Collect X and Y together. So X minus 3Y equals 9 minus 3. So X minus 3Y equals 6. And this equation number 2. Here we have equation number 1 and equation number 2. How to solve it together? Like lesson 1 by omitting method. Okay, first write the two equations under each other. So we have here X minus 4Y equals negative 6 and X minus 3Y equals 6. Here we have the coefficient of X like the coefficient of X. So make it subtraction. How to get subtraction? As we said, exchange the sign of the second equation. Here positive, it will be negative. Here negative, it will be positive. Here positive, it will be negative. And make it subtraction. Okay, X minus X cancel together. Negative 4Y plus 3Y, it will be negative Y equals negative 6. Negative 6 equals negative 12. Cancel negative with negative, so y equals 12. Substitution to get the value of x, like in equation 1. x minus 4y equals negative 6. يبقى x minus 4 times 12 equals negative 6. So x minus 48 equals negative 6. Move negative 48 in the other side. So x equals negative 6 plus 48, which is 42. Okay. So x equals 42. What's x and y? Y the son's age, and x the man's age. So the man's age is 42 years old, and the son age will be 12 years. Okay, let's take the last example. The length of a rectangle is more than its width. So here we talk about the length and the width. So suppose that let the length is x and the width is y. Okay, read it again. The length of a rectangle is more than its width by 5. So here we have the length, which is x, more than its width by 5. يبقى y plus 5. Okay, get x and y together. So here we have x minus y equals 5, and this is the first equation. The second equation, and twice its length, it means 2x. Added to 3 times its width. Added يعني plus 3 times its width equals what? Equals 45. And this is equation number 2. Okay, here we have the two equations under each other. Here coefficient 1 و 2, negative 1 و 3. يبقى multiplied here equation 1 by 3. Write it again. 3x minus 3y equals 15. And the second equation write as it is. Make it addition. 3x 2x equals 5x. Negative 3y, positive 3y cancel together. 15 plus 45 equals 60. Move 5 in the other by divided. So x equals 60 divided 5. It means x equals 12. Substitution in any equation to get the value of y. Let's take equation number 1. يبقى substitution in equation number 1. X minus y equals 5. It means 12 minus y equals 5. Move 12 in the other. Don't forget negative y equals 5 minus 12. So negative y equals negative 7. Cancel negative with negative, so y equals 7. So here we have the length of the rectangle equals 12 centimeter, and the width of the rectangle is 7 centimeter. Thank you.